Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to remove reposts on TikTok. First of all, it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Here you can see the videos that you are posting. If you find any video that is posted 2 times, then you have to click on that video and click on this video and again click on video that is being reposted. You can see 2 videos. Now click on the 3 dots, scroll this bar and click on delete. The video which is being reposted will be removed from your TikTok account. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.